Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 14th Feb 2023 and today is a special day. Today is Valentine's Day. So wishing all the viewers of Evewin89 YouTube channel a very happy Valentine's Day. Yeah. So here I'm at my terrace with KitKat, Nestle KitKat, and with my mom.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And she is holding two beautiful hearts over here, and she is wearing her brand new salwar suit. So guys, I'll provide the link of the product in the description of the video. Which product? The salwar है ना, सूट है ना ये?
हाँ सूट
नहीं, कुर्ती बोलते हैं इसको. सलवार सूट नहीं है, this is कुर्ती, red color, special red for special Valentine's Day.
Happy.
So have a break, have a KitKat. नीचे करो.
तो फोटो तो नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. हाँ अभी दिख रहा.
ठीक है. We love KitKat.
I love KitKat.